In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Xero error code 500 quickly and easily. If you've tried logging into Xero and suddenly see a 500 error message, don't worry. This is a common server-related issue, and in most cases, it can be resolved in just a few minutes. I'll walk you step by step through the exact troubleshooting methods you should use to get back into your Xero account. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical software fixes just like this. Now, let's get started. First, let's understand what error code 500 actually means. A 500 error is typically a server error. This means the request was sent correctly from your browser, but the server failed to process it. Sometimes this is caused by temporary issues on Xero's end, and sometimes it's caused by stored browser data like cache or cookies interfering with the connection. So the first thing we're going to do is perform a hard refresh of the page. If you're using Windows, press Ctrl and F5 at the same time on your keyboard. If you're on a Mac, press Command, Shift, and R together. This forces your browser to reload the page without using any cached data. Cached files can sometimes be corrupted, and forcing a fresh reload often resolves the problem immediately. After doing this, try logging into Xero again and see if the error disappears. If you're still seeing the 500 error, the next step is to clear cookies specifically for Xero. To do this, look at the address bar in your browser and click the lock icon next to the website URL. From the drop-down menu, select Cookies or Site Settings, depending on your browser. Then click on Cookies and Site Data. Remove the stored cookies for Xero. Cookies store session information, and if that session becomes invalid or corrupted, it can trigger server errors. After clearing the cookies, close the browser tab completely, reopen it, and then navigate back to the Xero login page and try again. Now, if the issue still isn't resolved, the next step is very important. You need to check whether Xero is experiencing a service outage. Open a new tab and go to status.xero.com. This is Xero's official status page where they report any system issues, maintenance, or regional outages. Once the page loads, check for any notifications that say service outage or performance issues in your region. If there is a confirmed outage, then the issue is not on your end, and you'll simply need to wait until Xero resolves it. These outages are usually temporary and fixed by their technical team. If there's no reported outage and you're still experiencing the error, you can also try opening Xero in an incognito or private browsing window. This disables extensions and ignores existing cookies by default. If it works in incognito mode, then a browser extension may be interfering, and you can disable extensions one by one to identify the cause. You can also try accessing Xero from a different browser entirely, such as switching from Chrome to Edge or Safari, to see if that resolves the issue. In most cases, one of these steps, hard refresh, clearing cookies, or confirming service status, will fix Xero error code 500 quickly. It's usually not a permanent problem, and it rarely requires advanced technical support. But if none of these steps work, your final option is to contact Xero support directly and provide them with a screenshot of the error and details about your browser and device. That will help them investigate further. And that's it. That's how you fix Xero error code 500 step by step. If this tutorial helped you solve the issue, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more Xero troubleshooting guides and software tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.